Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the social science class. Civics, Unit 3, Road Safety. Road traffic safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Okay, children. Now, see the video of road safety.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
హలో అన్న వస్తున్నానే గిడ దారిలే ఉన్నా బస్ 2 నిమిషాలలో వస్తున్నా. హే డార్లింగ్ వస్తున్నా, నువ్వు నేను కాఫీకి వెళ్దామా? ఓకేనా?
Children, road safety is very important to be aware that road traffic injuries remain an important public health problem. When road safety products are utilized correctly or efficiently, they can help save lives, prevent accidents and injuries, and keep a society functioning in the most optimal way. The revolutionary invention of the wheel has given rise to modern technologies from transport to machinery. It is one of the most fundamental invention we use in our daily life. Invention of wheel may be a mystery, but the history of vehicles prove the intelligence of man. Children, can you imagine a world without two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and four-wheelers? We have to travel via roads almost every day to go to school, college, office, shops, visit relatives and friends. We need to be safe on the road. Road safety refers to the methods and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. It is a saddening fact that India is the world's largest contributor to road accident. India accounts for about 10% of road accident fatalities at worldwide. Road crashes have a threatening impact on Indian lives, growth and economy. Now let us see about causes for road accidents. This is a larger thread and the leading cause for road accidents. It is the distraction of the driver engaging in any other activity while driving. It may be talking over the mobile phone or texting message or engaging in any activities with attention diverted from driving. Reckless driving. It is a major traffic violation of rules. It is defined as the mental state in which the driver purposely disregard the rules of the road. let us see about night driving. An extra alertness is needed while driving at night. The uncontrolled sleep, tiredness due to the long drive, poor lighting on the road can cause fatal accidents. Tailgating. Tailgating refers to a condition where a driver drives behind another vehicle without leaving sufficient distance between them. In this condition, if the vehicle in front of him stops suddenly, his own vehicle will crush with it. Heavy traffic is also another causes for road accident. Increase of vehicles on the road create a heavy traffic jam and cause more pollution. Road condition. Road expansion is very slow when compared to the expansion of vehicle. Avoidance of safety gears. Avoiding the use of helmets for two-wheelers and seat belts for four-wheelers lead to unwanted happening. Impatience of pedestrians. Impatience of pedestrians and violation of traffic rules result in accident. Let us see about other causes for road accident. Drunken driving, jumping red light over speeding, and unmanned railway crossing cause great damage to valuable lives. Due to this, many families lost their breadwinners. Road safety rules. Every country has its own road safety rules and regulations for the best interest of its citizens. India also has designed road safety rules for protecting the road users from meeting with accidents and injury. As per the Indian law, one should be eligible to get a driving license at the age of 18. One should be eligible to get a driving license at the age of 18. While driving, use of mobile phone is prohibited. Sound horn is prohibited near a hospital or a school zone. Look at this, children. 10 golden rules for road safety. Use standard helmets while driving two-wheeler vehicle and strap it before mounting the vehicle. Fasten the seat belts while driving a car for both the driver and co-passenger. Avoid carrying heavy load while riding a two-wheeler. Two-wheeler can carry one adult rider and not the whole family. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead of yours. Slow down on bends and turns, especially in hill stations. The Motor Vehicle Act 1988, passed by the Parliament, came into force in 1989 and it is applicable to across the country. Preventive measures. Government, though the Ministry of Road Transport and highways, Government of India has taken earnest steps for reducing the number of road accidents. Taking steps for the rectification of accident, black spots, and improvement of road engineering, ensuring the good functioning of the traffic signals and road signs at busy crossing roads, constructing proper roads both in urban and rural areas, installation of CCTV cameras to record high speed offense which can detect the offenders, prohibiting the act of digging or hoarding soil from roads, remove encroachments and maintain proper pedestrian ways for ensuring road safety. If the public are violating the traffic rules, it is the duty of government to correct the public and maintain order. Stringent actions are to be taken for the violation of any road safety rules. Children, let us know about the individuals. What are the documents necessary for an Indian while driving? One who drives a vehicle should have undergone the training and test to obtain a driving license. It is compulsory to have the following documents: driving license, registration certificate of the vehicle, insurance certificate, taxation certificate, fitness certificate, and permit. Brake failure can result in crucial crash, so the vehicle should be in good condition and serviced at regular intervals. To avoid accidents because of potholes and road humps, users can opt to use the Raksha Safe Drive device. It is attached with Velcro to the car and alters the driver about road humps, bad roads, and on crossing the speed limits. Carpooling will reduce the number of vehicles on the road. Many people use one vehicle and so fuel, money, and time are saved. It will pave way for a cordial relationship and better understanding among the fellow men. Parents and teachers play a vital role in imparting road safety education to young ones. If a child's parent violates the traffic rules, the child too will initiate the same in future. So the elders have to set an example for them in adhering to the safety rules and regulations. Video and computer games that simulate driving should be banned by the government or discouraged by parents, as it will develop racing habit in children. Help your children learn about the traffic signals and rules. Instruct them to wait for the right signal and to use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. Warn them not to run across or along the road. Teach them to use the footpath while walking on the road. Provide road safety education since childhood. It has to be made a part of school curriculum, syllabus, textbook and included in competition on road safety. Activities like writing of slogans, essays, and paintings on this theme should be conducted for reinforcement. Media. Media like radio, television, films, and advertisement could take up this responsibility of creating awareness of road safety. On Sachin Tendulkar's 45th birthday, Mumbai police has released his video to create awareness among the motorized. The little master set great records wearing a helmet. How about simply following his footsteps? Children, let us know about traffic signs. Traffic signs act as silent conductors of the traffic on the road. Some traffic signs are mandatory, like stop, speed limit, turn right, no left turn, etc. Some signs are cautionary, which warn the driver about the danger ahead, like steep ascent or descent, narrow bend. Some signs are informatory, providing information about hospital, petrol pump, resting place, parking or no parking area. Road Safety Week. This is a national event which aims at promoting public awareness about traffic rules and to reduce casualties due to road accidents. It is observed annually. It is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. A variety of programs related to road safety is conducted. Educational banners, safety posters, leaflets, and pocket guides related to road safety are distributed to the public. The Government of India observes Road Safety Week awareness during January every year. Children, for the suggestion, walking is a good alternative and cycling is a good exercise for a distance of 1 to 2 kilometers. Use eco-friendly vehicles. Implement the idea of installing near unmanned railway crossing a separate unhindered passage for cyclists would yield many benefits and also reducing road crushing. Cycling is a healthy habit and reduce pollution. Motorcycle manufacturers should be asked to design two-wheelers with a designed maximum speed of 50 km. An awareness program can be used by narrating live examples and also projecting videos. Road safety refers to the methods and measuring used to prevent road users and vehicle users from fatal accidents and injuries. Traffic signs act as silent conductor of the traffic on the road. every country celebrate Road Safety Week. We should strictly follow the rules and regulations, road safety and save our nation.